Hello student. So in the last class we have done exercise 12.1 till question number 3. Okay, so today we will start with 4. So the question number 4 says find the area of a triangle two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So here two sides of a triangle are given. So the two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, isn't it? But the third side is not given. But to find the area, we need the third side. Okay, but what is given? Except the two sides, perimeter is also given, isn't it? So now first we will try to find the third side. Okay, so we will assume it to be x. So let the third side be x centimeter, isn't it? So I have assumed the third side to be x centimeter. Then what is given? Now perimeter is given 42 centimeter, isn't it? But what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the three sides. So the first side is 18 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus x centimeter equals 42 centimeter, isn't it? So now you add this to 18 plus 10 is 28 plus x equals to 42. Okay, implies x equals to 42 minus 28, isn't it? Just to solve, x equals to 14 centimeter. So the third side is 14 centimeter. Okay, so now we have all the three sides of a triangle, so we can easily find the area of a triangle. Okay, so here a equals to, a is 18, isn't it? B is 10 and C is 14, which we just got now, isn't it? So now we will try to find S. S equals to, since we are already given the perimeter, S means semi perimeter, it is 42 by 2 equals to 21 centimeter. So we got the value of S also. Okay, therefore area will be given by under root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Okay, now put the values. Okay, so under root of S is what? S is 21 into 21 minus A is 18 into 21 minus B is 10 and 21 minus 14. This square root should be for all. Okay, equals to under root of 21 into 21 minus 18 is 3 into 21 minus 10 is 11 into 21 minus 14 is 7, isn't it? So now prime factorize each and every term. So this one will be 3 into 7 into, this will be 3 only, this will be 11 only, this will be 7 only, because they are prime number. Okay, now what will happen? Out of these 3, 2 3s, 1 3 will come out of the root. Out of these 2 7s, 1 7 will come out of the root, and this will remain inside the root. So root 11. So it will be 3 into 7, 21 root 11 centimeter square will be your answer. Okay, so this is your answer for this question. So next we'll move to next number, that is question number 5. So the question number 5 says sides of a triangle are in the ratio. So the ratio of the sides is given. Okay, so the ratio is 12 is to 17 is to 25, isn't it? So in such case, how can we assume the side? Let the three sides be. So in such case, I have already told you, whenever the ratio is given, we will add one variable, isn't it? So that will be x, then 12x comma 17x and 25x. Okay, so we have added one variable along with the ratio. Okay, and y I have already told you in the previous class. So now what else is given? Perimeter is given. So perimeter is how much? 540 centimeter. isn't it? So perimeter means sum of all three sides. So 12x plus 7x plus 25x will be equals to 540 centimeter. Okay, so this one will be how much? 12 plus 17 is 12 plus 17 29, 29 plus 25 54x will be equal to 540. So implies x will be equals to 10, isn't it? So what are the three sides? Therefore three sides are, users have to put the value of x here. So 12x means 12 into 10 120, 17x and 25x means 25 into 10, that is 250 centimeter. Okay, so these are the three sides. So now you have to find the area, isn't it? Therefore S, first find S. S means perimeter by 2. Perimeter was given as 540 by 2 equals to 270. Okay, so therefore area equals to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C, isn't it? So under root of S means 270. So 270 minus A is what? 120. Again 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. Okay, so this will be 270 into 270 minus 120 is 150 into 270 minus 170 is 100 into 270 minus 250 is 20. Okay, so now what we will do, you will now prime factorize each and every term. Okay, so if you prime factorize 270, what will you get? You will get 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, and if you prime factorize 150, then you will get 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. If you prime factorize 100, then you will get 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, and then if you prime factorize 20, you will get 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, I am prime factorizing each and every term. Okay, so now what you will do? What you will do is, now you will write all 2's together. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So total of 6 2's. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. For our convenience only, we are writing all the like factors together. Okay, so now we'll write 3. 1 2 3 4, total 4 3's. So 1 2 3 and 4. So next we'll write all 5's together. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total of 6 5's. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So now we will start pairing. 1 this and this, this and this, this and this. So out of these 2 2's, only one will come out. From here 1 2, from here 1 2, from here only 1 3, from here only 1 3, from here only 1 5, from here only 1 5, and from here only 1 5. Okay, so what is the answer? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 3 is 72, 72 5 is 360, 360 5 is 1800, and 1800 5 is how much? 9,000 centimeter square. Don't forget to write the unit. Okay, but area will be in square. Okay, not only centimeter, it will be in square, and perimeter will be in centimeter, meter simply. Okay, so this is the answer. So similarly, you can do question number 6 as your homework. Okay, so in exercise 12.1 we learned how to find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Right now, Heron's formula, however, can also be used to find the area of a quadrilaterals. Okay, so you know what is quadrilateral, right? It is a geometrical figure having 4 sides. Okay, so how now we will learn through exercise 12.2. Okay, so in exercise 12.2, question number 1, the question says a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, whenever this kind of question comes, I suggest you to make the figure. Okay, so ABCD is the park, but you have to make the figure according to the question. Okay, now the question is saying there is a park which is in the shape of a quadrilateral, and the quadrilateral has been given a name ABCD, and it has angle C equals to 90 degrees. So 90 degree, I hope you know what is 90 degree, right? So 90 degree. So angle C means here it is C. Okay, and AB is 9 centimeter. Then BC is 12, CD is 5. Okay, first let me make it. Okay, so if I make a quadrilateral like this, okay, so it will be A, B, C and D. Okay, remember you have to follow the alphabetical order. A, B, C, D. You cannot write A, B, C and D. It should be in order. Okay, and we have to write C here because angle C is given as 90 degree. Okay, so such that AB is 9 centimeter. So this is 9 centimeter. Next, BC is 12 centimeter. So where is BC? This one is 12 centimeter. And CD is 5 centimeter. And what else is given? And AD is given as 8 centimeter. So how much area does it occupy? Means we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, so first what we can do is we can join BD. Okay, why BD? So if I join BD, what will be BD called? BD, we can call it as a diagonal of this quadrilateral, isn't it? And why I am joining BD and not AC? Because in quadrilateral we can draw two diagonals, right? One is BD, another one is AC, but I am drawing BD and not AC. Why? Because if I draw AC, then this 90 degree will be bisected, but if I draw BD, then this 90 degree will be there, so that it will be easy for us to find BD. Why? How? We can find BD using Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? Which says hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, and as you already know, Pythagoras theorem can be used only for right angled triangle. Okay, that's why. So let us find BD. Okay, in triangle BCD, by Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? Hypotenuse means slanting side, means this one, right? Longest side, BD square equals to perpendicular square BC square plus base square. Base is this one. Okay, so now from here I can find the value of BD. So BD square equals to BC square means 12 square plus CD square means 5 square. So implies BD square equals to 144 plus 5 square is 25. So implies BD square equals to 169. Isn't it? Is it? So now what I will do? Now BD, now as I am removing square here, square root will come on the other side, isn't it? So BD equals to square root of 169 is 13 centimeter. So this we got it as 13 centimeter. So BD we got it as 13 centimeter. Okay, so now why I tried to find BD? Okay, because now this BD is separating this whole quadrilateral ABCD into two parts, isn't it? So now what I can do, I can find the area of this triangle. Okay, because this BD is separating this quadrilateral into two triangles. Now what I will do is I will first find the area of this triangle and then area of this triangle. After that, if I add the area of this two triangle, then I will get the area of a whole quadrilateral, isn't it? So that is what I am going to do now. Okay, so now first since this one is right angle triangle, okay, area of triangle BCD. Since this is right angle triangle, I can use half into base into height, isn't it? Okay, so I'll do here area of triangle BCD equals to half into base into height. So half, base is what? Base is 5 into height is what? 12, isn't it? So 2 6 6 5 30 centimeter square. Remember, unit is very important. If you don't write the unit, then your marks will be deducted. Okay, then now we got the area of triangle BCD. Then now in triangle, next triangle, which is the other one, ABD, isn't it? So in triangle ABD, so we have the three sides, right? A is what? A is 9 centimeter, B is 13 centimeter, and C is 8 centimeter. Okay, so now I'll try to find S. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2 equals to 9 plus 13 plus 8 by 2, which is equal to 9 plus 13 is how much? It's 22 plus 8, 30 by 2 equals to 15 centimeter. Now I'll find the area. I got the value of S also. So area of triangle ABD will be equals to under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is the Heron's formula. So under root of S is 15 into 15 minus A is what? A is 9, isn't it? 15 minus B is what? 13, and 15 minus C is what? 8. Okay, so this one will be under root of 15 into 6 into 2 into 7, isn't it? So this one will be, now I will prime factorize this, 3 into 5. This one also, if I prime factorize, it will be 3 into 2 into 2 into 7. So from this 3, 2 3s, 1 will come out. From this 2 2s, 1 will come out. Inside will be left with 5 into 7. So it will be 3 2s are 6 root 35 centimeter square, isn't it? So we got the area of triangle ABD. So therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD will be how much? Area of triangle ABD, area triangle ABD plus area triangle BCD, isn't it? Because I am adding the area of these two triangles. Okay, so area triangle ABD is how much? 6 root 35 plus area triangle BCD is 30. Okay, so if what I can take common from here, from this to 6, isn't it? So from here 6 is gone, root 35 plus 6, how many times is 30? 5 centimeter square. So this is the answer. So the answer is 6 into root 35 plus 5 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, so in similar way you can do question number 2 as your homework. Okay.